Hello everyone, before that, I will say thank you for Miss Anik and Mr. Teguh for the time. And let me introduce myself. My name is Yunati Safitri. Please call me Fitri, F-I-T-R-I. I'm from Vocational School Gajah Mada University. Next. At this time, I will tell you my paper about tourist issue. That is tourist issue in Labuan Bajo. The issue is clean water service for the people of Labuan Bajo. We know that Labuan Bajo is one of the tourist destination that we must visit when we want to travel. Before discuss the issue, I will give a little information about Labuan Bajo. Labuan Bajo is one of the village in the Komodo district, West Manggarai Regency, Nusa Tenggara Timur, with a myriad of charm that it hasn't. Is included in one of Indonesia's 5 super priority destinations that we must visit, with the famous tourist attraction, the Komodo National Park. With the inclusion of this area into 5 super priority destinations, the tourist industry is growing rapidly and the income of this area is increasing with the number of tourists coming. But behind the progress of the area, there is a miserable community. Why is that? The existence of injustice in the central government of Labuan Bajo regarding the provision of clean water service between the tourist industry and the local community. Next. We can see in the picture how difficult it has for local people to get clean water. If they want to get clean water, local people have to buy a very expensive price ranging from 80,000 rupiah. The inclusion of this area into Indonesia 5 super priority destination does not rule out the possibility of being a trigger for the rapid development of existing tourists. For me, the development of tourists in Labuan Bajo does not change welfare. Local communities, by reason of the government lack of attention to the community. The welfare of the community depends on the government concerned. For me, the central government of Labuan Bajo does not care about society as we know this area currently in the spotlight because of the beauty of the tourist charm it provides. But the happiness of tourists become to suffering of the people as more and more tourists visit this area. It is increasingly difficult to access clean water for local communities. The regional central government must be wiser and fairer in dealing with this problem. Inequity of clean water service to the community with the tourist sector and in the hospitality sector. Seen from the difficulty of the community in getting access to clean water service. Next. The injustice of central government of Labuan Bajo can also be seen from the massive development of the hotel industry with swimming pool facilities. And the central government of Labuan Bajo is willing to spend a lot of money to improve water flow to support these tourists. Next. The inclusion is that Labuan Bajo is a tourist destination that must be visited when visiting Nusa Tenggara Timur because of the beauty of tourist object it has. This area is included in 5 super priority destinations that must be visited with this making tourists in this area growing very rapidly. It can be seen from the number of tourists who come to visit this area. But the development of tourists in this area does not make the people prosperous because it has difficult to get clean water for their daily needs and the government unfairness in the distribution of clean water access service between community and the tourist sector, especially the hotel. Even the existing policies of the central government to resolve the, the case have not been able to solve this problem. The limitation of this contraction of hotel with swimming pool facilities, in my opinion, can overcome the existing problems because a hotel with these facilities requires a lot of water. Okay, everyone, thank you for attention.